Welcome to our channel. We're glad you're here. Ever wondered how search engines work? Well, you've come to the right place. Search engines, in simple terms, are the librarians of the internet. They sift through billions of pages of information, organizing and categorizing them so that when you've got a question, they can lead you right to the answer. Just think about the last time you needed to find something online. Maybe it was the recipe for a perfect chocolate cake, or perhaps you were looking for the latest news about your favorite sports team. Whatever it was, chances are, you turned to a search engine. And voila! Within seconds, you had a list of potential answers at your fingertips. That's the magic of search engines. But how does a search engine know which websites to show you? Well, it's all down to the process of indexing and ranking. Search engines use complex algorithms to scan or crawl the internet, indexing the content of each website they find. This index is then used to match your search query with most relevant pages. When ranking these pages, search engines consider a number of factors. These may include the relevance of the content to your search, the number of other sites linking to that page, and even the quality of the content. The aim is to provide you with the most useful and reliable information possible. Understanding search engines is the first step in mastering the art of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is all about making your website more attractive to these search engines, helping it rise up the ranks and reach more people. It's a crucial skill for anyone looking to make their mark online, whether you're running a business, starting a blog, or just trying to get your ideas out. So, there we have it, a quick introduction to the world of search engines. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn about how these digital librarians work and how you can use them to your advantage. Next, let's delve into the workings of these search engines. Now, how do these search engines actually work? Search engines operate by following a three-step process: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Let's break these down to understand what they mean. First up is crawling. Imagine search engines as spiders, constantly roaming the vast web, discovering new and updated content, whether it's a web page, an image, a video, or a PDF. This content could be newly published or updated from existing content. The search engines use links to hop from one page to another, hence the term web. Next, we have indexing. Once the search engines discover these pages, they need to understand what they're about. This is the indexing process. The search engines analyze the content, images, and videos on the page, looking at elements like the title, meta tags, and even the structure of the page. This information is then stored in huge databases, ready to be recalled when someone makes a search query. Now, on to the final step, ranking. When you type in a search query, the search engine sifts through its massive index, trying to provide the most relevant and useful results. But how do they decide what's most relevant? This is where keywords and backlinks come into play. Keywords are the terms that people type into the search box. If your content matches these keywords, it has a higher chance of being ranked. But it's not just about keyword stuffing. The content needs to be high quality and provide value to the user. Backlinks, on the other hand, are like votes of confidence from other websites. If a lot of reputable websites link back to your page, it signals to the search engine that your content is trustworthy and authoritative, thus improving your ranking. So the magic of search engines lies in this intricate process of crawling, indexing, and ranking. It's all about delivering the most relevant and high-quality results to users based on their search queries. So now that we understand how they work, let's look at the major players in the game. With numerous search engines out there, which ones should you focus on? Well, let's start with the three titans of the search engine world: Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Each one of these has its own unique features and market share, and understanding them is key to mastering search engine optimization. First off, we have Google. It's the reigning champ, the king of the hill, the big cheese. It's the search engine that most people think of when they hear the term search engine. And there's a reason for that. Google has the lion's share of the market, with a staggering 75% of the total search volume worldwide. It's known for its speed, accuracy, and incredibly sophisticated algorithm that delivers highly relevant results. Google also offers a suite of tools for SEO professionals, making it a favorite in the industry. Next up, we have Bing. While it might not have the same market share as Google, Bing is still a major player. It powers around 12% of global searches, and it's the default search engine for Microsoft's browsers and devices. Bing's unique features include its integration with social media and its focus on visual search, which sets it apart from other search engines. Last, but certainly not least, we have Yahoo. Once the leader of the search engine pack, Yahoo still holds a respectable market share of about 3%. It's renowned for its directory-style listings and its integration with other Yahoo services like Yahoo Mail and Yahoo Finance. Now, you might be wondering, why is Google the most popular and widely used search engine? Well, it boils down to its advanced and continually updated algorithms, which deliver highly accurate and relevant search results. It's also user-friendly and comes with a plethora of tools and services that make the life of an SEO professional a whole lot easier. Now that we know who the major players are, let's examine what makes them tick. Search engine algorithms, what are they and why should you care? It's a question that's at the heart of mastering SEO. So let's dive in. Search engine algorithms are complex systems used to retrieve data from their index and instantly deliver the best possible results for a query. The search engine uses a combination of algorithms and numerous ranking signals to deliver web pages ranked by relevance on its search engine results pages. Now, these algorithms aren't static. They are constantly changing and evolving. Why? Well, search engines aim to provide the best user experience possible. And that means continually refining and tweaking their algorithms to deliver better search results. The frequency of these updates varies. Some updates are minor tweaks and adjustments that happen daily. Others are more significant, broad core updates that can drastically alter search engine rankings. These major updates usually occur several times a year, and they can be game changers in the world of SEO. Let's take Google's algorithm as an example. Google is infamous for its frequent algorithm updates. Some of these are small and go unnoticed, but others, like the Panda or Penguin updates, have had a significant impact on search results. The Panda update, for instance, was first rolled out in February 2011. It targeted sites with low-quality content, affecting around 12% of all search results. Websites with high-quality content were rewarded with higher rankings, while those with poor content were penalized. The Penguin update, which was launched in April 2012. This update targeted websites engaged in manipulative link schemes and keyword stuffing. It was designed to promote high-quality content and a better user experience. These are just two examples of how algorithm updates can drastically affect a website's ranking. There are many more, including the Hummingbird, Pigeon, Mobile, RankBrain, and the list goes on. So, why should you care about these updates? Well, a significant part of SEO involves understanding these algorithms and how they're updated. Every time an update is rolled out, it could potentially affect your website's ranking. If you're not keeping up with these changes, you could find your site dropping in the search results without understanding why. Staying informed about these updates can help you adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. It can help you understand what kind of content to produce, what practices to avoid, and how to optimize your website for the best possible search engine ranking. In the fast-paced world of SEO, knowledge is power. Understanding search engine algorithms and their updates is like having a roadmap to success. It's about staying one step ahead, being proactive rather than reactive. So, to answer the question we started with, why should you care about search engine algorithms? Because they're the key to unlocking your website's potential. They're the secret to climbing the search engine rankings and reaching your audience. Keeping up with these algorithm updates is crucial for your success in SEO. That's it for our first module on understanding search engines. We've journeyed through the intricate world of search engines, exploring how they work, the major players in the field, and the ever-changing algorithms that dictate our SEO strategies. It's crucial to remember that successful SEO is rooted in understanding these fundamentals. We've seen how search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo serve as the gatekeepers of information on the internet, and how they rely on complex algorithms to deliver the most relevant results to users. These algorithms are constantly updated, making it essential for us to stay informed and adapt our SEO tactics accordingly. Now it's time to take this knowledge and apply it. Build on these foundations, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of SEO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for module number 2, where we'll be focusing on on-page SEO, diving deeper into mastering the art of SEO. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in module 2.